guys, we're on the American River Middle Fork. My name is Danny Boy. We're going rafting. Yeah! Woo! Woo!
Got it in you to love me every day, but for some odd reason my feelings just turn you away, turn you away. So would you please explain to me what's going on, or else I'll be gone in the morning time. I'm moving on, I'm moving on. Guess you don't got me anymore. Moving on, so get your stuff up off my floor. And when you look at me, I'll punch you out towards my door. Moving on, you won't believe it is so. No, a little woman can cause you much pain. But take another second and you'll realize the shame. Giving your heart up to a woman with a fame. I'm giving it up to every guy who calls your name. To every guy who calls your name. You got no time for loving anyway. So why did you call me in the middle of the night the other day? The other day. So now delete your number from off my phone, 'cause I'll just call some other girls when I'm alone. But all your friends complain to me about my choice. Messed up once, but that's they say you messed up your life, and if I take you back, then I'll rejoice. If you don't act now, well then you have to. Because you fit into my life so perfectly. But I don't want no parts in my life, to speak bluntly. I'm moving on. Yes, you don't got me anymore. Moving on, so get your stuff up off my floor. And when you look at me, I want you out towards my door. Moving on, you won't believe in me so. A little woman can cause you much pain, but take another second and you'll realize the shame. I'm giving your heart up to a woman with a fame. I'm giving it up to every guy who calls her name. Let this go on, she always says to me, but I don't want a relationship with hoes, that can't you see? I drop to the floor now every time she's coming back around. To hide myself from misery that winter's always found. Then you come and tell me that you've changed, what can we be? Together one last time, I don't want you, I set you free. So get your friends to quit playing these games and you will see that I'm done, there's no going back. I'm moving on, because you don't got me anymore. Moving on, so get your stuff up off my floor. And when you look at me, I want you out towards my door. Moving on, you won't believe in me. So moving on, you don't got me anymore. Because I'm moving on, you don't got me anymore. Because I'm moving on, you don't got me anymore.